In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to maximize your Claude usage limit so you can get the most out of every conversation without wasting message. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Claude AI. Once you are inside the Claude interface, start a new chat. Now here is the key part. Your prompt quality matters a lot if you want to save usage. Instead of asking multiple small questions, you should use one clear, structured prompt. For example, you can type a request asking Claude to give you a beginner-friendly guide on how to maximize usage limits and include specific instructions like give 5 quick tips, provide 3 example efficient prompts, and add a simple comparison between high usage and low usage prompts. Keeping your prompt short, direct, and structured helps you avoid unnecessary back and forth messages. Once you send it, Claude will generate a well organized response with practical tips, reusable prompt ideas, and a comparison breakdown that helps you understand how to use it more efficiently. This way, you are getting more value in fewer messages, which is the best way to extend your usage limit. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.